Style isn't just about trends, it's about knowing what works for you. I'm Liz, I'm a Stitch Fix Stylist, and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which is dressing your body. I am one to often throw out the rule book. There are so many opinions on how to dress your body, but only you really know what you like best and what you feel best in. But I am going to give you a few of my favorite tips. There are a lot of fashion rules out there, and while those are great guides, it's really about what makes you feel the best. For example, I am short. I'm 5'3". I have a long torso and short legs. I love to dress by the rule of thirds. This is an idea that you visualize your body in thirds, 1, 2, 3. For me, as someone with a long torso and short legs who always wants to look taller and wants to pretend that my legs are longer, one way I like to bring this into my styling is pairing a fitted or a cropped shirt with a pair of high-waisted pants. That's gonna trick the eye to make your legs look longer. Those high-waisted pants are gonna cover the bottom 2/3 of your body, and then you're just gonna see the 1/3 on top. So it's going to make your legs look longer. Does that make sense? Another tip that I learned as a dancer who is a bit shorter was to continue the leg line with the same color. So say you're wearing a pair of blue jeans, wearing a pair of navy shoes is going to continue that line. That makes sense. One way to figure out what you like best and what proportions feel best on you is to just try everything. We have a ton of resources on our Stitch Fix blog of how to dress different body shapes that I find so helpful. And like I said earlier, fashion rules are great, but make sure you figure out what works for you. Maybe it's combining some of those rules. I don't know. Maybe it's making up something of your own. Once you figure out what proportions you like to accentuate in your body and how you like to do that, it's gonna be a really great guide to dressing from here on out. It doesn't just mean that you're always going to wear the tucked in shirt and high-waisted pants, but you know that that sort of proportion makes you feel good, so you can do that in a bunch of different ways. Maybe that's a fitted tee and a maxi skirt. I hope this was helpful. All that to say, I feel like the rules are, there are no rules, but rules are a great guide, a great starting point. So do some experimenting, try on some things, try some different proportions, see what feels best for you, and let that enhance your style from there. Bye!